So good evening class, and today I'm going to continue with planning, and today I'm going to start the topic types of planning on different bases. The types of planning. Okay. So planning can be divided into different types based on certain bases. Okay. So first basis is importance. First is importance. On the basis of importance. On the basis of importance, planning can be divided into three types. On the basis of importance, planning can be divided into three types. Okay. See, first is basic planning. First is basic planning. Next is derivative planning. Derivative planning. And number three is what? Master planning. So on the basis of importance, planning can be divided into three types. First is basic planning, next is derivative planning, and third is master planning. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so what is basic planning? Basic planning kake bole? What is basic planning? Basic planning means whenever we determine the basic objective, while determining what is my basic need, what is my basic objective of the organization, the plan that requires to make the basic objective of the organization is the basic planning. Okay, what is the main or basic principal objective? Whatever an organization always comes with an objective of what? Profit earning and what? Satisfaction, customer satisfaction. This is the basic objective that every organization possesses. What? Number one is profit maximization, another is what? Customer satisfaction. These two things. Because with customer satisfaction will come profit maximization. Until and unless customers are not satisfied, profit maximization is impossible. Correct? So, basic planning is what? When a plan is made in order to decide the basic objective of the organization, the basic or the principal objective of the organization. Because principal means the topmost objective. Like in our lives, we have certain aim or goal. The aim or goal is to become something, to do a job or whatever. That's our principal or the main target. And to fulfill this target, we need to do several plannings. Correct? We need to do several plannings at several stages of our lives. Similarly, an organization principle or whatever, we know what is the principal objective. The principal objective is to earn profit. And to earn profit, the organization needs to plan. So this is the basic planning. So based on basic planning only, we determine the other steps. Correct? Now if, see, means amader jibone, what is our objective aim? Suppose our aim is, someone's aim is to be a painter, someone to be a photographer, someone to be a judge or whatever. So this is our principal objective. And to fulfill this objective, based on these objectives only, what we will plan for our future. এই অবজেক্টিভের উপরে বেস করেই তো আমরা ফিউচারটাকে নিজেদের প্ল্যান করব। তো আমাদের একটা বেসিক এম, একটা বেসিক অবজেক্টিভ থাকা দরকার। তেমন একটা অর্গানাইজেশনের বেসিক এম, একটা বেসিক অবজেক্টিভ বেসড অন উইচ দ্য অর্গানাইজেশন উইল প্ল্যান ফার্দার। Clear? That's basic planning. Next comes derivative planning. So what is derivative planning? Derivative planning takes place at different levels of the organization. We know the different levels and in the different departments of the organization. Either in different levels or in different departments of the organization. Because every organization, every department is working for the organization, overall benefit of the organization. So each department, each level is planning this and that. So this plan is known as derivative planning. The planning which is made at different levels of the organization or made by different departments of an organization. Clear? Next, master plan. Master plan, it's an overall final plan. It's a master plan. It's an overall plan. It is based on the overall performance of the organization. This plan is done to determine the overall performance. This plan includes policies, procedures, strategies, time span, everything. each and everything is included in this plan. So it's named as master plan. Why we say it's a master plan? Because it contains everything. Each and every aspect is covered under this planning. Whereas in basic planning, only our basic principal objective. Derivative, each and every department or different levels. But the master plan comprises each and everything. Each and everything of the organization. So it's named as master plan. Is it clear? It's easy. Basic planning determines the basic principal objective. Derivative, the planning which takes place at different levels or different departments of an organization. Master planning, the overall performance, which is made for overall performance of the organization, which includes policies, procedures, time span, everything. Policies, procedures, time span, strategies, everything. Okay, so based on importance, planning is of 3 types: basic, derivative, master. Important, this portion is important. Number 2, based on what? Use. On the basis of use, planning can be divided. On the basis of use, planning can be divided into 2 types. One is recurring or standing plan. Another is non-recurring or single-use plan. So we know the term recurring. Recurring, we know the term recurring. Do we know the term recurring? We use this term very often, recurring. So what is the meaning of this term recurring? Recurring কথাটার অর্থ কি? যেটা continuous repetition হচ্ছে, repetitive. Something that's repetitive. যেটা থেকেই যাচ্ছে, যেটা হয়েই যাচ্ছে, একই জিনিস হয়েই যাচ্ছে, repeat করছে. That is called recurring or standing plan. So the plan which is used time and again. একটা plan যেটাকে বারবার use করা হয়. Time and again. যেমন একটা অর্গানাইজেশনের রুলস, রেগুলেশনস, পলিসিস, এগুলোকে তো বারবার ইউজ করতে হবে, কারেক্ট? So standing plan but recurring plan is a plan which is used time again and again. The plan which is used again and again, বারবার যে প্ল্যানিংটাকে ইউজ করা হয়, that's called recurring or standing plan. Non-recurring or single use plan means the plan which is used for single time. It's a single time use plan. Like whenever we do budget, once we do budget, again we don't carry forward the same budget plan again in the next year, correct? We do a different budget plan. But here rules, regulation, they continue. The regulations and rules of an organization will continue. That's recurring. But budget, any project, suppose project A, we are planning on project A this year. Next year we will plan for project B. So the planning will not be the same. It will be a single use plan for project A. Once it gets complete, it will get over. Again for project B, you have to plan separately. Correct? So non-recurring or single use plan, recurring or standing means repetitive, the plan which is repetitive in nature. So based on use, planning can be divided into 2 types: recurring or standing, non-recurring or single use plan. So based on importance, planning is of 3 types: basic, derivative, master. Based on use, planning is of 2 types: recurring or standing, non-recurring or single use plan. Clear? Now based on tenure, on the basis of tenure, planning, on the basis of tenure, planning is of 2 types again. Tenure means on the basis of time span, and we know very much that there are 2 types: long term, short term. Long term planning, short term planning. So long term planning which is made for a long period, short term which is made for a short time span. So what is the time span? 5 years or more, 1 year or less. তাহলে কি হলো? 2 রকমের প্ল্যানিং অন দ্য বেসিস অফ টেনিওর, টাইমের ওপরে ডিপেন্ড করে 2 রকমের প্ল্যানিং হয়। একটা হচ্ছে লং টার্ম, একটা শর্ট টার্ম। লং টার্ম মানে যেই প্ল্যানটা আমার 5 বছর বা তার বেশি ক্যারি ফরওয়ার্ড হবে, আর শর্ট টার্ম যেটা 1 বছর বা তার কম আমার প্ল্যানটা ইউজ হবে। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে 3 রকমের কি পড়লাম? ভেরি ইজি। ইম্পর্টেন্স, বেসড অন ইম্পর্টেন্স there are 3 টাইপস। এখনই মুখস্থ হয়ে যায়। বেসড অন ইম্পর্টেন্স there are 3 টাইপস অফ প্ল্যানিং: বেসিক, ডেরিভেটিভ, মাস্টার। বেসিক প্ল্যানিং কাকে বলে? যেটা ফর ডিটারমাইনিং দ্য প্রিন্সিপাল অর বেসিক অবজেক্টিভস। ডেরিভেটিভ প্ল্যানিং, the planning which is the planning that is taken that takes place in all the departments, in different departments or in different levels of an organization is known as derivative planning. What is master planning? Whenever we determine the overall performance of an organization that includes everything, policies, procedure, time spent, strategies, etc. Clear? Next, use. Based on use, planning is of two types. One is recurring or standing, another is non-recurring or single-use plan. Okay, recurring means the planning which is used repetitively. Okay, it's a standing, মানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে এক জায়গায় ওই প্ল্যানটা ইউজ করে যাচ্ছে, স্ট্যান্ডিং। And non-recurring or single একবার ইউজ হচ্ছে, like budget, project, planning for all this. Tenure, two types we know. There is a long-term period, there is short-term period. Planning which takes place for long-term period, that is 5 years or more, it's called the long-term planning. And short-term period, 1 year or less, it's called the short-term planning. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay.